Hi there, and welcome to this book review. The sun is really bright today, so my eyes are looking smaller than usual. But this is lesson 3, and it is on patience. Okay. Patience is a virtue, is what the author says. And it is a virtue. And we see it in nature, we see it in the garden. Seeds grow when you plant them, or if you don't plant them. Same with the mind. See, in the book, she says that there was times where she would pick at the soil to see where the seed is at in the growth process. Is its roots coming out? Is that little sprout coming out? And I think we do that a lot with those of us who manifest, okay, who talk about manifestation. Your idea, your desire, your goal, your dream, it is a mental seed that you're planting in your subconscious mind. So when you're like looking around, where is it? Doing the same thing, and you're picking at the soil of your mind, and it's really not a productive thing. Be patient. Allow the things to come to you. And the author of the 12 lessons of life that my garden taught me says, set your intention of what you want in life, right? Just like in the garden, you plant a certain plant, carrot, grapes, apples, cucumbers, whatever the fuck it is. All right, there's no limit. Whatever you want is good. It's yours. Whatever you want, you can have it. So when you plant your goal in your subconscious mind, or you're setting out the intention, I want to be happy, or I only want to attract good things, you set the intention, or you visualize that image, that thing that you want, if it's a thing or an achievement, and you wait for the universe to do its job. Just like the seed, wait for the seed to grow. Let the sun and the water do its job, and the seed is going to eventually grow. The universe will give that breath of life to it, and it will grow. You can't force the seed to grow, or ask the seed to negotiate with it to instantly grow into a big ass tree with fruit. And plus, life is about experience. Life is about going through that growth process. We get more contentment through the process than the actual result. Okay, I want to give you an example of sex, right? So I got a coach who taught me how to date, and I had sex with this beautiful girl that I think she's beautiful. She has black hair, long black hair, Latina, green eyes. So to me, that's one of the standards of beauty for me. So we had sex, and that was it. But the process to like be able to do that type of thing, like approach a woman, get her number, or take her back to my place, was a process. And that process was way more fun than the result. Okay, so let the universe bring everything to you. Take those hunches of actions that you need to take. The people, the resources will come to you. It's free, okay? Because everything will come. All right, everything will come. So set the intention, be patient, and let the universe bring that thing to you, okay? It's not to be confused of you not doing anything. The hunches will make you do stuff, okay, once it hits your subconscious mind, okay? And the things and people will come as well, all in conjunction, or maybe just one of them. You'll just have to wait and see. And you'll reflect when you receive your goal and be like, okay, my patience allowed all this stuff to happen, learning all the lessons, learning from all the challenges. Okay, so I hope you like this one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and especially to get the next episode on this book review, critique, and analysis. All right, I love you. Till next time, peace.